Did you know some of the highest paid tech professionals, the individuals who are truly driving innovation and customer satisfaction, aren't always the coders meticulously crafting lines of code or the salespeople closing those crucial deals? Often, they're customer success representatives, CSMs, the unsung heroes of the tech world. Most people think it's just customer service, a reactive role focused on addressing immediate issues, but customer success is proactive and strategic, a forward-thinking approach that anticipates customer needs. It's focused on preventing problems before they even arise, not just fixing them after the fact. You're a trusted advisor, a partner invested in your client's long-term success. You're guiding clients, showing them the ropes, and helping them to get the most value from your product or service. In this guide, we'll reveal what it really means to be a CSM, peeling back the layers to understand the core responsibilities, to work in customer success, and thrive in this dynamic field. We'll cover everything from daily tasks to the essential skills that set you apart from the competition. Imagine being the human connection in a digital world, a friendly face and a helpful voice in an increasingly automated landscape. It's about anticipating needs before they're even voiced, identifying growth opportunities for your clients, and building unwavering loyalty that translates into long-term partnerships. In today's subscription economy, where recurring revenue is king, keeping customers happy and engaged is absolutely essential for business survival and sustained growth. As a CSM, you're the engine of long-term revenue, driving expansion and fostering lasting relationships. You're the guardian of customer loyalty, protecting your company's most valuable asset. Ready to see if you're the missing piece, the perfect fit for this rewarding and impactful role? Let's dive in and explore the world of customer success. Forget passively waiting for the phone to ring and hoping someone needs help. Those days are over. Customer success is about proactive action, taking the initiative, and driving positive outcomes. Your day starts by checking your dashboards to see which clients are thriving and exceeding expectations, and, more importantly, identifying which clients might need some extra attention and support. Spot a client slipping, noticing a dip in their engagement. You reach out proactively, offering solutions and support before they even realize they need help. Scheduled check-ins aren't just casual small talk. They're strategic conversations, laser-focused on understanding your clients' evolving goals and challenges, and crucially, on demonstrating how your product can be the key to unlocking their success. You might show a client how to save hours each week with a powerful feature they've never even realized existed. Internally, you're the unwavering voice of the customer, bringing invaluable feedback directly to the product development team, marketing, and sales teams, ensuring everyone is aligned with customer needs. You play a vital role in helping shape the product roadmap, create compelling case studies that showcase real-world success, and proactively spot upsell opportunities that benefit both the client and the company. Will there be challenges? Absolutely. You'll skillfully handle tough conversations, turning potential problems into opportunities to build even stronger trust. Ultimately, success in this role means actively listening, genuinely empathizing, and always, without exception, steering every interaction toward practical and effective solutions. So the question is, can you thrive in this fast-paced, dynamic, and deeply relationship-driven role? Communication is key, but what really sets you apart is active empathy, truly understanding your customer's world. Strategic thinking is essential. Connect daily actions to big-picture goals. You don't need to code, but you must be tech-savvy and a power user of your product. Tools like Salesforce and Gainsight help you track, automate, and manage client relationships. Many CSMs come from teaching, consulting, or hospitality. Anywhere you build trust and guide people to success. Highlight real examples of helping others in interviews. They matter more than you think. Collaboration is non-negotiable. You'll work with sales, support, and product teams daily. Negotiation and persuasion help you advocate for your clients internally. You're not just managing clients, you're orchestrating success across the company. Customer success comes with real responsibility. It's not just about making customers happy, but ensuring their long-term success and growth. Your performance metrics are directly tied to customer retention and overall satisfaction. You're accountable for nurturing those relationships and driving positive outcomes. Losing a client can sting, no doubt about it, but resilience is absolutely key. It's about learning from the experience and bouncing back stronger. Celebrate the wins, big and small, learn from the losses, analyze what went wrong, and always keep moving forward. Continuous improvement is the name of the game. You'll be juggling dozens of clients, each with unique needs and expectations, but the rewards are big, both personally and professionally. Expect competitive pay, performance-based bonuses, and strong job security in a rapidly growing field. Flexibility is a major perk. Remote work options and a high degree of autonomy are increasingly common. You own your client portfolio and your schedule, giving you the freedom to craft strategies that drive real, measurable results for your clients. Career growth potential is huge. You can move up to senior CSM, team lead, or even a managerial position, or pivot your career path to product development, marketing initiatives, or even sales strategies. The skills you build in customer success are highly in demand everywhere across various industries. If you thrive on ownership, enjoy making a real impact, and want to be at the forefront of customer relationships, this is definitely your launchpad. Customer success isn't a dead end, it's a gateway to endless opportunities and a fulfilling career path. Ready to take the next step and embark on an exciting journey in customer success? With AI on the rise, will CSMs become obsolete? Not at all. AI handles the busy work, freeing you for what matters most. The future belongs to CSMs who build relationships, think strategically, and solve problems creatively. AI can flag risks, but only you can empathize, advise, and build trust. Become an industry expert, not just a product expert. Offer insights that go beyond features. Sharpen your communication and negotiation skills, they'll always be in demand. Embrace AI tools to boost your efficiency and impact. As tech evolves, the need for human connection grows. Customer success is more human than ever, adaptable, empathetic, and strategic. Are you ready to build a future-proof career? Let's get started.